What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another video. Hope you guys are doing well. Tonight's review is going to be a little different review. It's going to be a beard oil slash skin oil review. I know it sounds complicated. Stay tuned to find out.
This is the beginning of meditation.
Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for tuning back into the channel. Tonight we're going to be going over a company out of Colorado called the Fighting Goat Company. Yes, you've heard me right, the Fighting Goat Company. Owner Sean Larkin is his name. Like I said, he's from Colorado. He uses all natural ingredients. He's another one of them companies that uses the hemp oil. Great for your hair, the follicles. The hemp oil stimulates hair growth. Just an all-around good product for your beard. He sent me a 1 ounce oil. Could be used for your beard and your skin. He says it's good for your skin. It won't clog your pores. I've just used it on my beard thus far. I still have a lot of oil, obviously, so I'm gonna attempt to try it on my skin as well. What he sent me was an ounce of his Oregon Coast Blend beard and facial oil. And as you can tell by the reflection, the labels are beard oil and water resistant. Before we get too far into the review, make sure if you're new to the channel, you hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up. And of course, never miss a video upload that I come out with. Be sure and tick that notification bell. And the ingredients in this are jojoba, metafoam seed, argan, essential oil blend rather, and hemp extract. This is handmade in Colorado, like I said. It's 1 fluid ounce, contains 50 milligrams of hemp oil. And the essential oils that he's used are bergamot and vetiver. And it's kind of a thick consistency oil, and it's got one of those dropper tops on it. And I don't know if you guys will be able to see this. I'll just dump some in my. It's easy to come out, and you can't really see. It's kind of a thick running oil. You can see it running real slow. Like I said, it's bergamot and vetiver. And it's just a real nice earthy type scent profile. And it goes on the beard really good. It doesn't leave my beard greasy or anything like that. I have taken the residual when I've used this product when I was doing the review of it. I was wiping it all over my hands, on the back of my hands, of course. And after I would get done rubbing it all over my arms, my hands, you can see that there's very little residual left on my hands, which is a good thing because it soaks into the skin. Like I said, my beard was soft. Like I said, it didn't feel greasy or anything like that. He did send me a nice little sticker. I got to do something with those lights. If you guys know anything about lighting, I know I keep asking you guys this. I've asked you a couple of times. I have a light right here. It's an umbrella light, and I have a light right here, it's a square light, and I got them both coming down on me, and I got one directly in the back of me to cast my body, so it focuses better. Every time I try to focus on something, it reflects real bright. Let me know in the comments if there's how I can fix that. But anyway, like I said, of course, with the hemp in there, it stimulates hair growth. It'll also calm irritated pores. If you got a lot of irritated pores on your skin, the hemp oil will calm your pores down, so they go down. But thank you, Sean, for sending your product. If I ran out of this product tomorrow, would I go buy it? Sure. It's beneficiary to my skin and my beard, so that's a win-win. On my scale, my star rating, I would rate a 3 simply because of the scent. I'm not a big fan of the bergamot or vetiver scent. It's like a, to me, it's like a an earthy. To me, it's like an earthy. I don't know. It's just not for me. The scent profile. If it was like a sandalwood or something, you know, or a cedarwood, then absolutely a 5-star. But we're gonna give you a solid 3-star. But you know, the product works for your beard. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video for my skin, see how it works on my skin. But other than that, thank you, Sean, for sending me your product. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for sticking around. I'll leave all the information in the description box. Till the next video, guys. Peace.